Hey guys, today is your best chance to win 25 lakh Grand League. So watch the video till the end and Grand League will be yours. Today we are going to talk about Ireland Interprovincial ODD LLG versus NWW Dream 11 prediction, which means Leinster Lightning versus Northern West Warriors Dream 11 match. Friends, this interprovincial ODD is actually one day tournament of domestic tournament of Ireland. So remember, all the matches will be in Ireland only, and this match will be played at Pembroke Cricket Club in Dublin. Dublin is the capital of Ireland and it will be at 3:15 pm. Remember the time also, friends. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to the YouTube channel and also join my Telegram channel. I will share my free team with you in the after this video and also in the Telegram channel after this toss. So join the Telegram channel, link is in description and pinned comment. Also guys, now let's continue. This is the whole LLW LLG squad and you can pause the video and check each player, and this is the whole Northwest Warriors squad. You can again pause the video and check each player. Now this will be the playing 11 of Leinster Lightning. Kevin O'Brien, he will be seen as opening the inning. Generally we see him come as a finisher in T20 cricket, but this time he will be opening the inning, and in the past 2 years he is actually opening in for the national team also. Jack Tector, he is a good player but not too good. He is an opener, so he has very high chances of getting out because of seam friendly wickets of seam means fast bowling friendly wickets of Ireland. Other than that, Tucker, he is also a very good batsman. He is a wicket keeper as well. Simi Singh, very good all rounder. He bowls off spin. Team Tector, he is not a good batsman, but he has a lot of potential which he has shown in the domestic T20 matches. Dockrell becomes a very important player for Grand League. Halloran, he is a pinch hitter actually. If team collapses, then Halloran can come and hit a few 30 to 40 runs, becomes a good player for your Grand League. And guys, then come their West bowlers, Chase and McCarthy. Don't forget these two bowlers because this McCarthy player, he is actually in the batting section of Dream 11. I will talk about it later, but he is actually a fast bowler. And Garth and Newland, they are also there. They are relatively new players, so you cannot focus in them on correctly. Now we are going to talk about NWW playing 11. Friends, William Porterfield, his name is enough. One of the best players of Ireland to play this game, and we will definitely consider him in our team also. Maguire is also there. Doheny, he will be becoming our top trump card. Why? Because his selection is very low. He was brought into the team for the same reason, to strengthen their batting lineup. Earlier their batting lineup was not strong. In fact, their fast bowler McBride is batting at number 5 in this lineup, you can clearly see. So definitely their batting is very weak, and Doheny will be very important. He will play by saving his wicket and he can score a lot of runs. And his selection is also very low, becomes very important player. Thompson, he is not in the Dream 11, but he is a very good all-rounder, very experienced all-rounder. He plays for County also. McGuire is a good bowler and he can bat a little bit. Hume is a good all-rounder, you can consider him. Kennedy is a good batsman, good bowler also. And Getkate, he becomes another very important player. In fact, people of Ireland consider him as X-factor of their NWW club team. Allen is a spinner. Craig and Rankin will be very important fast bowlers for you. Let's talk about the injury update, guys. Balbarini, one of their top batsmen of LLG, he is not playing this game. Very important update. And Joshua Little, their best fast bowler and my favorite fast bowler of Ireland, Joshua Little is also not playing this game. Very important update. R. Enders is also not playing, and Smell, the wicketkeeper of NWW, is not playing. So guys, in the Dream 11 you will see there are two wicket keepers. One is Smell, so Smell is not playing, so you should not even consider him in any Grand League team. Just consider the first option. Now let's move on to the list A records, guys. No one else will show you these records to you. These are the whole list A record. List A means one day record plus ODI means international one day records. So these contain all the one day records, domestic plus international, and no one will give you these records. So please make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel right now. It's my hard work but your reward. Okay, keep this thing in mind. These are the whole listed records of LLG batsmen. You can pause the video and check. These are for LLG bowlers. You can again pause the video and check. I will highlight the top names. Kevin O'Brien is at the top, then Lorcan Tucker, who is actually the wicket keeper. Simi Singh is at the top also, and Dockrell, remember this name, Dockrell. Other than that, in the bowling section I will see McCarthy and Chase. I will highlight these three players, and Simi Singh. These three players will be very important for us. Then again, Kevin O'Brien will not bowl definitely. He's not bowling lately, and Dockrell is also a good player. Now guys, let's move forward. These are the NWW batsmen stats, and Porterfield is at the top, Doheny is at the top, and Getkate and Hume are at top, so we will consider them in our team. And among the bowlers, Alford has played just one innings. Allen is definitely not going to get a lot of help due to fast bowler supportive pitch. And then we have Getkate, Young and Rankin, three important bowlers. Thompson is not added to the Green 11 team currently, so we will not consider him. guys, pitch will be supporting fast bowler generally as seen from the past few matches, and it will not be a very high scoring encounter. Remember this thing. So guys, making captain as an opener means making opener as a captain, it will be very risky choice, so avoid it. So guys, if you have liked my analysis so far, then please join my Telegram channel, link is in description and top comment. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now let's move to the Dream 11. In the wicket-keeping section, we have one choice. Tucker Smile is not playing. In the batting section, we'll take Potterfield currently, but Balbarini is not playing. So what we'll do, we'll consider Doheny, who's one of the best batsmen of NWW, and we'll also consider McCarthy, who's actually fast bowler, but he is in the batting section for LLG. In the all-rounder section, I will go with Kevin O'Brien, one of the best batsmen of LLG. I will also go with Young, Simi Singh, and Gedkate. They are very good all-rounders, can give me points in both batting and bowling. In the bowling section, I will go with Rankin, Young, and Chase. Now here guys, if you want to drop Chase, you can even take McGrain. McGrain is actually international level bowler, so he can be a good choice for you. You can, Anders is not playing, remember this thing, otherwise he is also very good bowler. You can consider Garth or Alford. Alford also, based on their selection, if they will play, then you can consider them. If you want for Grand League in the all-rounder section, you can also consider Dockrell. Dockrell's name was there in the bottom of the list, like in the top 4 players we saw Dockrell was at number 4. Again in the top 4 bowlers we saw that Dockrell was at number 4. So that's the only problem with Dockrell. He is not good in any particular department. That's the only problem. He's a good player in Grand League. You can try him. Allen is actually a spinner. In the batting section, if you want to try some other choice, you can try McGuire. He will open the innings. Tector is not a bad choice, and Kennedy is also a good choice. So guys, this will be my final team preview. If you want to make someone captain, you can make Simi Singh and Gedkate, very important choices. And if you want to go safe, if you want to play safe and not lose too much money, you can even go with Kevin O'Brien, because most of the people has Kevin O'Brien as their captain. So even if you plays bad, nobody wins. Both you and your opponent will have same number of points. So guys, no one will give you such a deep analysis. No one will do so much hard work so that you can make profit. So make sure you join my Telegram channel, link is in description and top comment, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay guys, see you in the next match. Bye.